we go again. I do not know how much boost he's running right now, but I'm sure he'll tell you later. The numbers you've all been waiting for. 607 to the wheels and 707 torque. That's some crazy shit. Horsepower and 752 torque. That is crazy. And there's your graph for you. This is one hell of a truck right here.
Hella weak. It's just all that oil just coming up out of there.
Yep.
Damn.
She blew up.
He got it going for his vlog too, man. So everybody go to his YouTube channel right now, man. Go subscribe and stay tuned, man. And make sure you can watch his ads because this shit about to be an expensive fix.
It is.
Make sure you watch all his ads. Shit, he need that revenue shit.
Made 640 wheel horsepower, 750 foot-pounds of torque on the first pull. Second pull made the same thing. Changed tune. 4,000 RPMs. It just popped.
Damn.
Giant cloud of white smoke.
That sucks, man. I'm sorry to hear that,
There you
bro.
okay. It's the name of the game.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
Shit, though, that's like, fuck. How much you think it's gonna cost to fix that shit?
Well, at least $7,000.
Oh, fuck that. Shit, them wiper motors ain't no hope.
No,
Shit.
they are not fucking cheap.
Hey, man, make sure y'all watch all his ads, man, because fuck it. That make my heart hurt, shit. About $7,000 get that shit fixed. Shit, that motherfucking damn. You know what I mean? See, that's why I ain't be minding my Hellcat like that. I said, fuck all that. I don't like no shit to break.
Yep, you
But
got
it
warranty.
is the name of the game, though.
Oh, yes.
It is the name of the game, man.
Trying to
So
go
I
fast.
get it. All the people I know that did all the YouTube shit and that did the modifications and all that shit, and I asked for advice about this shit. Anything past what Bart has done to my Hellcat, anything past that, shit starts to break.
Oh, yeah.
I said, nope, fuck that. I want to stay in that safe zone. Headers, exhaust, coder intake, pulley, tune, that's it. That's all I got for you motherfuckers. You know what I'm saying? We gotta get a new car and do some different build shit. But the Hellcat, I don't want no shit breaking. I gotta still get like a differential brake in the drive shaft. But then after that, I'm all the way cool. But this is exactly the reason why I don't do shit like that.
You
for
drag
sure.
race your Hellcat?
Huh?
You drag race your Hellcat?
Fuck no.
No?
But I probably will though. Now that I got all that shit down, I'm going to.
You know what Ruby drag on this, don't you? Ruby drag?
Yeah, I heard about it. I was up there. I'm up there. I'm doing all that shit this summer.
All the oil that came out of my wastegate. Poor Viper truck. Oh well, bigger and better.
New built engine. Next dyno full will be 900 horsepower.
It's a sad day. It's kind of whatever though, you know. Stock engine, lots of boost. But we'll see what happens. It made, at 7 PSI, it was making 650 wheel horsepower. It spun on the dyno, but it made 750 foot-pounds of torque. So it's probably making like 700 wheel horsepower, which is way too much. But it's pretty crazy, but now it's time to get that motor out, I guess, and keep working on it, because I guess my truck doesn't want me to drive it. So it just wants to keep having problems. Giant garage queen. But it was cool meeting Tall Guy Car Reviews. Super cool dudes. Super cool to talk to. I'll probably be on his video, that'd be sweet. But Viper truck blew up, some clickbait bullshit, but that's me. It blew up.
It's not clickbait.
It's not clickbait, it's true. I can't swear.
I know.
Yeah, so.
Next to blow up a 2011 Coyote when we turbo that with Eric's turbo.
As always, keep it boosting, except this time it blew up. It boosted and it didn't want it.
It boosted too much.
Too much
boosted.
boost.